Let's do our part to help birds thrive. We can make our yards come alive.
Hi there, my name is Brooke. Welcome to my homegrown national park. Have you ever heard the thud sound that happens when a bird flies into a window? It's a horrible sound, and it happens much more than you might think. Here are some facts about how windows affect birds. In the United States alone, more than 1 billion birds die every year from hitting windows. That's more than any other human-made cause, other than habitat loss and free-roaming cats. And it's not just a North America problem. Researchers have documented window collisions in over 90 countries around the world. A proven way to help is to add visual markers to glass so that birds can see it as an obstacle to avoid. For best protection, especially for the tiniest birds like hummingbirds, the American Bird Conservancy recommends markers no more than 2 inches apart. Markers should always go on the outside of glass. This ensures adequate contrast so that birds can see them best. And when applied this way, they can be surprisingly subtle, letting in the light and the view while giving birds a much better chance to fly safely past. Feather-friendly markers stay in place through all seasons, protecting multiple generations of birds year after year. Markers on glass are both your best friends and your bird's best friends because they don't obstruct your views while keeping birds safe. From windows in your house to windows in skyscrapers, these life-saving markers help birds everywhere. To help keep the birds in your yard safe, ask an adult to help you visit featherfriendly.com to get started making your own window bird-friendly. When we bought this house, this backyard was only grass. We made the decision to transform our yard by planting native flowers, shrubs, and trees. And voila! We created our own homegrown national park. And you can do it too! Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Birds will make your world go round, filling the air with beautiful sounds, picking up seeds, putting them down.
Let's restore 20 million acres of nature's habitats.
Let's do our part to help birds thrive. We can make our yards come alive. Bird baths, feeders, native plants too. There are so many things that we can